Congratulations on your vehicle purchase from Scott Will Toyota. In 5,000 miles, it will be time for your first service, and we want everything to go smoothly. The best way to schedule your service is by making an appointment. We service over 50 vehicles per day, so an appointment allows us to make your vehicle a priority when it comes in. For smaller services like oil changes and tire rotations, the best time to come in is after 2 p.m. any day of the week. If you must come in without an appointment, we will do everything possible to fit you in, but please realize we are working around others with an appointment, so it may take longer. You can make an appointment one of 3 ways. Online at scottwilltoyota.com, select Service, and then schedule an appointment. Then simply pick your time and date. Our system only shows available times, so if you pick a time, it's yours, and we will send you a follow-up email to confirm it. Or go to the App Store and download our Scott Will Toyota app. The first time using the app, you will need to enter your vehicle information and then go make an appointment, so it will take a few minutes. But the benefit to you is huge. You can look at your vehicle's entire service history, you can see specials to save you money, and we can send you reminders for future appointments or vehicle updates that may occur. The third way to make an appointment is to call us at 803-469-9500 and ask for a Toyota service. Our schedule coordinator will do everything possible to get you a time that fits your schedule. We offer alternative transportation so you don't have to wait. We have a free shuttle that runs around town, or we can have a rental vehicle available for a minimal charge. We look forward to seeing you at Scott Will Toyota in Sumter.